In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Salesforce data. Backing up your data is a crucial step in ensuring that your critical business information remains secure and accessible no matter what happens. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce professional or just getting started, this guide will help you navigate the backup process with ease. Let's dive in. First, let's explore the manual or scheduled backup via data export. It's a straightforward method directly available within Salesforce and a fundamental tool for your data security strategy. To initiate the process, begin by clicking the gear icon located in the upper right corner of your Salesforce interface. You'll see a drop-down menu appear, and you should select Setup from that list. Once you've accessed the Advanced Setup section, draw your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find the Quick Find box, which is incredibly useful for navigating the vast array of Salesforce features. Go ahead and type Data Export into this search field to swiftly locate exactly what you need. Next, click on Data Export listed under the Data category. This area is essentially the hub of the Salesforce backup system. For those of you looking to perform a quick backup, you can click on Export Now to start a one-time export of your data. Alternatively, if you're interested in automating this process to make your life a bit easier, Schedule Export is the tool you'll want to use. This allows you to set up recurring backups on a weekly or monthly basis, tailored to fit your organization's specific needs. Once you've decided on your export schedule, or if you're doing a one-time export, it's time to choose which specific objects you want to back up. You have the flexibility to select accounts, contacts, leads, or any other data that's pertinent to your operations. After making your selections, simply click Save to initiate the process. As the backup begins, you can sit back and relax, because Salesforce will take care of the rest. You'll conveniently receive an email notification when your download is ready. It usually arrives as a zip file containing CSV files, which is a handy format for both storage and future analysis. For those of you who are a bit more advanced and seeking granular control, consider utilizing Salesforce's Data Loader tool. This powerful option allows you to export specific datasets directly to a local file, offering more customization over your backup process. By following these instructions, you're well on your way to confidently securing your Salesforce data. Remember, regular backups are more than just a safety net. They're part of a proactive strategy to safeguard your business against data loss. Thank you for joining me today, and happy data management.